Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby here. Welcome to new acrylic pouring video. Today we are having fun. So I'm here in Molly's Artistry studio and Molly is gonna be on my hands today. I'm gonna be her eyes and we're gonna create a painting together like this. Yeah, working on 10 by 20 inches canvas. Yeah, it's beautiful, nice canvas. And we're gonna do a rain pour technique. It's gonna be a rain pour with a little bit of swirl in it and lines and ribbons. So we're just gonna create something really beautiful and with gorgeous colors of, of the sunset. I'm gonna grab my cup and let me show you the colors. It's a little further away from me. Yes, right here. And look at those colors, look at the layering. This is Molly's signature recipe. She does amazing with those colors. So we're gonna give it a swirl, literally. I'm gonna put the cup back, just like that, nice and flat on the table. There you go. And now let's get started. And to set myself for the painting, I usually like to do a little dance at the beginning. You know, I will just do something, you know, just to set the mood up till the painting turns out. And let's write a secret message. So I'm gonna grab a brush, which is right here in the cup, a little more to the left. Okay, I'm gonna dip it nicely and go on a canvas and we're gonna write a secret message today. So yes, yeah, dip it again. This one going just straight down. All right, back on the canvas. This is a good spot. This is more to the right. Going back. Yes. A little more like this. Yeah, just straight down. And on the canvas, a little more to the right. To the other right wall. A little more to the left. And yes. Okay, a little more to the right. Up. Okay, good. Okay, and the last one goes down. Perfect. And right here. Okay, the last one. Done. Amazing secret word. It's a secret for everybody, including us. But the secret message today is trust, because I will trust Molly to create this painting and be my hands in this one. All right, I'm gonna take the cup with the brush and put it away so it's out of the way, and I'm gonna put it in my left hand and hold it on the left. Just like that, simple, you know guys, simple, easy peasy. Okay, now I'm gonna reach over and grab cup with the purple, and I want to use it just on the corners to help my color tilt towards the corners so it slides more easily once I do my rain pour. So a little more to the left, a little more, yeah, just here, just a little bit, a little puddle. Okay, and now to the top. Okay, yes, this top. Okay, and the top right. Okay, there was a lot, not so much maybe for the, yeah, this is good. And another little happy dance. Oh, you can really dance. Okay, and we're gonna grab our beautiful cup. Yes, this one. And we have a plan. We're gonna pour a little bit on one side, a little bit on the other side, and then create beautiful ribbons sort of in an H shape. So let's start with the right. Okay, we already started. And yes, like this. Oh, this is actually really pretty. Okay, nice. Oh, look at that. And now I'm gonna grab a little skewer. Thank you. A little more, yeah, that's the one. And I'm gonna draw some lines just to create beautiful wispy designs. Let's do it. And we're gonna go from right to left and just in the circular motion, and some from top to the bottom. Yes, like this. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And again, a little more to the right top. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna stop right here. And we're gonna put this down, just down. Yeah, just like throwing it We're not gonna need it anymore. And now we're gonna grab the canvas, and this is gonna be the most fun part because we're gonna start tilting. I'm gonna bend over, and I first want to reach to top right corner, so I'm gonna tilt nice and slow. Okay, we're good. And now bottom right, bottom right, bottom right, the right, yes, stop. Now bottom left, and we can tilt a little extra. Oh, that's good. And now we just have the top left, and more to the front, yes. Perfect. Bring it down, bring the weight of the paint to the center a little more. This is beautiful. So we can stop right here, and we're gonna sit it right on our beautiful stance.
How did I do?
You did amazing. It's gorgeous. Take a look.
Oh,
Ta-da.
it is nice.
It's beautiful.
It is nice.
So the only thing we have left, I know, was it hot over there? You did amazing.
That was so tough. Oh my gosh, I had no idea where I was pouring when I was doing it.
It was pretty challenging, right? We
Wow.
just did one where I was Molly's hands and she was the eyes, and I can tell you, it's not as simple to do it when you have no idea, but it's so much fun. Okay, let's touch up the corners. I'm gonna let you do that.
Oh,
no, sorry. I'm gonna let you do that, but I'm actually
that
gonna.
one's in white,
yeah.
so I'm gonna wait on that one. Oh, it got the side coverage actually.
Yeah, really well. Just the corners. Sides are perfect here. Very beautiful.
I love this color combination.
Yeah, this color combination is gorgeous.
We only layered this cup, so it's got like a lot of, we only layered it one time, so it's got a lot of. Is everything else good?
Yep, I think so. Now, we challenge you guys. If you have a paint party or whoever you can do this with, give it a try. It's super cool, super fun. And let's see what you create together. Tag us if you give it a go. And thank you so much for joining us today. And Molly will show you the dry result.
Yes.
And yeah, stay tuned. We'll be right back for that. And here it is dry. Striking result of the most unconventional art approach. And I really love how it dried just perfectly. You can see a lot of transparency in all the layers of colors and all the lines. This painting definitely has a lot of dimension to it. Here it is, how it looks from the distance in the horizontal layout. I think we did a really good job with Molly with this experiment. What do you guys think? How do you like this? And I love all the contrast. The color combo was totally on point. The yellow really pops among all these darker colors, and I like how blue, it really helps to cool down such a warm, emotional color palette. And here it is in the vertical layout. I actually really love all the white here because it makes the rest of the colors pop and totally adds the contrast. Well, I think I like this way a little better. Let me know which way do you like best. Hope you had some fun with us. Head over to Molly's video to see her side of the painting with my hands and her eyes. That one is also a lot of fun. I'll see you there, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. Take care, create with passion, and keep watching for a couple more seconds to see some bloopers from our previous videos. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Or like saying, let's get started again and being like
I think we just nailed that one. Of course. There's so many gorgeous details.
You can really paint.
Wow, you can really paint. This one, but we will add. Oh shit.
Blooper! Olga's going crazy on this. I thought I was just showing her how to do a swipe.
Good. I think it was good.
Good.
Yeah, yeah.